business, nasa ano talaga yan, sa building a team. So I'm so proud and happy po ako ngayon today. Dahil kasama ko po yung team namin. Alam ko, namin active at ito po yung motivation. Parang ano po ito kotse. May driver, may pahinisip, may kasama ka sa kotse mo. Yung parang na yan is si Waters Philippines. Ang nagdadrive po dyan is yung gangway natin. Actually, I'm excited to share about Waters. Yes, so actually, hindi ko gusto sumakso Waters before. Si Mama Len namin.
Ay, ganun po ba? Joke lang po. Actually, si Mom Jace. Kung this week, hindi ko rin naman siya. Kaya mo, nag-picture pa ako ng event ni Waters Why is ikaw pa ang lang siya para makapag-relate?
Hi, sis! Hi, Malia! Kumusta po? I just wanted to follow up po sana about the result regarding vloggers. Nakapag-visit lang po ba kayo?
Oh, sorry lang. Sorry. Thank you, What more now? May iba kasi yung priorities. May iba akong priorities dito sa bahay.
Oh, naiintindihan ko po, ma'am. No worries talaga. I appreciate your honesty at sa pala binigay sa akin to share what was to you.
Oh, future siguro. Kasi medyo natin yung budget ko Sorry.
That's not a fun. At least, I want to say help your family's health. Hindi po ba? Kapasal pa rin naman po ko sa inyo ng at least from time to time about sa mga bagong tono or at least, that's okay, ma'am.
That's okay. Sige, thank you
Thank you din po, Manila. I really actually appreciate your time. Hopefully, kapag ready na kayo, I'll be happy to assist you anytime. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Bye!
Wow, that was great. Respect the prospect decision, no at marami po sila. Palapakan natin. May call on the division of Enrico and Marites Bulacan. Nasa po yung mga division director ni Sir Enrico and mga Marites to join us on stage for a picture taking po. Please come up on stage. I saw Cindy and Jeffrey Robles. Sige po. Johnny Sanchez, Willie Pahinata, Aileen Ancheta, Marites Villanueva. So please join your upline DBs to have picture taking. So congratulations, Marites Bulacan. So continue to retain your division active. Kasi mahalaga po yun that your promoted division director dapat active lang. Okay? Palapakan po natin. Para patuloy tayong mag-enjoy ng credit privilege. Congratulations once again, the Division Vice President Lorraine and Joey Mananigo.
We will now proceed in recognizing our...
Sa naisip ko talaga, sobrang bilis ng panahon. Parang isang araw iniisip ko pa lang, sino kaya ang kasama ko sa cruise? Sino kaya kasama ko sa ibang trips? So I'm happy to see na na-enjoy yung mga videos natin. And honestly,
Vice President Regina and Oscar Abraham.
And from NCR, Division President Phoebe and Jeremiah Sidenio. So sila po ang mga divisions na nagkakanta on their own of their BOM. Take note, hindi one-on-one demo, but it is a BOM. So meaning, their personal expense. So they are from South Luzon, North Luzon, Central Luzon, and NCR. So mahalaga din talaga na bilang isang water distributor, alam natin mag-conduct ng BUN. Okay? So, although it requires, no, na meron dapat tayong kapital, especially the expenses, but the reason behind or the goal behind it is to build our people, to build new recruits, and also para matutunan din ng mga bagong downlines natin, duplication. Right? So yun. So once again, ang nakakatanggap ng awards ngayon, ito ang mga division directors that conducted their own expense and their own effort, their initiative for the business opportunity meeting. So maraming salamat po. Palakpakan po natin. So, kaya dapat sa mga downlines, habang nagkakaldak ang kanilang mga uplines ng BUN, you should learn from them. Yan. So let's have a group picture. Asan pa po yung iba? Ayun po yung iba. O, go po. So sila po, palakpakan natin. The division of Mary Gloria will get 10,000 pesos for a network meeting subsidy. Sige po. O, diba? Nakakatuwa, no? Na talaga naman worth it ang pag-invite ng madami. Aside from masarap na buffet kanina,
I pledge to uphold the
can we request microphone? Dalawang microphone po. Yeah, so please be seated, Ma'am Lorna and Sir Downline Nelly Vicente, and she received the award for the new promoted division director. At isa sa mga maganda rin talaga sa Waters, when you become a division director, it opens a lot of opportunities and incentives. Ano ba yung mga incentives na pwede makuha ng
Siyempre, meron tayong travel abroad.
Correct?
Local and international.
Correct. Diba? Libre yun. Ano pa? Car. Diba?
Yes.
So, kasama rin po yun. Kaya, continue lang po mga kawamis. Palapakan natin. Our new division director. Diyan ka lang po, ma'am. Diyan ka lang po. Okay? So,
The division director level is a prestigious rank. The incentive are bigger and better. Division director are role models for other distributors and are expected to uphold the vision, mission, and core values of the company at all times.
and to lead the old thinking of our new division director, let us welcome Division President Filomena Moscardon. Apply o Viva lang kasi since day one nung nag-register siya, hindi na siya maawa at maraming hot and cold sales yan. Congratulations! Cora Pataguan, our new Associate Director. So again, mga ka-waters, our Associate Directors for the quarter 3, we have two. Maria Cantos, and Cora Pataguan. So move forward po tayo for a picture taking.
Congratulations to the new associate directors.
Sino naman ang mga group manager? Pakitaan sa mga bagong group manager. Ay, natutulog na.
Isa lang yung nakita ko.
Yun na yung mapupro. Sila ang ating overall top in group sales for the third quarter of 2025. Top 3, the Gaetano couple. Top 2, the Nepomuceno couple. And the top 1 is Division President Cristina Santos. Palakpakan po natin. Okay. Marami pang awards, no? Ang susunod na award is very exemplary at bibihira lang ito. This award is given to the division director who achieved all the top awards. Naalala ko last year, this award was given to Lerma and Ricardo Nepomuceno.
So are you saying, Jason, meron ulit Grand Slam award this quarter?
Correct ka dyan, Arlene. To receive the Grand Slam Award or the Hakot Award is none other than Division President Cristina Santos! Grabe, parang puno na ang card ng Cristina Award niya today.
Talagang hapon.
And she deserved. Kasi masipag naman talaga ang ating Division President, Cristina Santos. Okay? Grand Slam Awards. So, dalawa na sila naka-receive niyan. First is Lerma Nepomuceno. Second, Cristina Santos. Congratulations!